Hello, this is Annalisa from Creative, Curious, Learning, and Living, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be tackling this space for Tiny Tidy Tuesday, and I'll talk a little bit more about that collab in a little bit, but I have shared this area on my channel before. This is my kids' art area, melting bead area, perler beads. We call them melting beads, but this is a very tight space, and so sometimes it's just easier to throw things in here, and this mess has piled up, and it has been like this since before Christmas, and I haven't gotten in here. And now the kids are like, hey, I want to do some perler beads again. I'd love to get in my space, be able to get a book from this area. They do have some books in another area, but it is time to get in here in this tight space and clear this out and put things on the back shelf and get things out that do not belong. So this is Tiny Tidy Tuesday, and this is a weekly collab hosted by Sunday Dawn over at The Helpful Home. She gets a bunch of us together to bring you cleaning motivation for your week, tiny tasks around your home to make a little bit of a difference for your cleaning needs this week. Freshen up your home and make it a whole lot nicer. So definitely check out Sunday Dawn's channel. I will have a link to her channel down below in the description box, along with the playlist for more content creators sharing their Tiny Tidy Tuesdays. That board there, I was looking for that. I recently put out a activity again, and that board goes underneath it. And I was so excited to find it because I did not know where I put it. So I am glad that I tackled this space because I found that is a sequence pillow that I turned into a board with a frame and duct tape. And yes, was super, super excited to find that. So I'm going to tackle this space, get the floor cleaned up, tackle the shelf, clean up the desk, wipe it all down, and freshen up this space. And I'm going to put on some music, and I will be back in a little bit at the end to chat some more. I'm going to finish up this video here in a little bit, but just tackling this space and finishing it up. If you are new here, I'm a homeschool mom to 4. I have an almost a 9-year-old, a 6-year-old, a almost 4-year-old, and a almost 1-year-old. So here on my channel, I share a homeschool journey, cleaning motivation, home decor, and so much more. So if you like that kind of content, definitely hit the subscribe button and join us here on this journey, and hopefully we will inspire you along the way. So finishing up this space and getting it done. And here's my littlest guy. They were just watching some TV while I tackled this space, and he was so cute there, but he was definitely getting ready for some more snuggles. So I quickly finished up this space a little bit more so I could go do that, just fixing our DVDs here. Some of our DVDs, we have some Superbook DVDs, the Bible stories. So it's just fixing that area up, and then I will be able to go ahead and finish this space, and I will show you it all fresh and done. So as you can see, the table has been wiped down, the shelves have been organized a little bit more, and the floor is clean. Yes, please, love it. And the kids were super excited to be able to come back into this space as well. So glad I got this done. Definitely don't forget to check out Sunday Dawn's channel and the playlist link down below for more Tiny Tidy Tuesdays and more cleaning motivation. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.